What's up? Hello, guys. Welcome to the Work from Home channel. Earn money from home, earn money online. So, I'm going to touch base on different things you could do to earn some money from home. There are a few companies out there which do pay out. So you can see this is this is a very recent video. You can see today's date, 18th of March, 2020. So we are in the time of, you actually know what I'm talking about. Um, so most people, try to work from home. Um, I'm going to talk about a few companies. Um, there is Adbreaks. There is also Max Bounty, um, where you could earn some money from home. There's Max Bounty, and there's a company called Cash Network. As you can see, these are the figures I've done. In the last few months, um, working from home. So just to make everyone understand this, you got to understand what's called affiliate marketing. So there's affiliate marketing, there's a CPA marketing, which is called cost per acquisition, or cost or CPL, cost per lead. So you get paid for people to take action, purchase a product, register in an email list, just submit your email. Sometimes you get paid $1, $2, $3. On the high side, you get paid $50, $100. You can see this is 47,000 pounds. And a max bounty, you can see is $23,000. So as you can see, I sold a few products. Some are $3 per sale, some are like $7, some are $10. It kind of varies. See, this is $75. So for you to get started with this, you need to understand the concept of getting traffic. So basically, you invest some money into traffic from, let's say, Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, whatever platform you want to use. And people come from that platform into your offer. If they take action, you get paid a commission. So that's on the CPA side. CPL, the same thing. You get paid per lead. So there are so many lead generation campaigns that are available for anyone to get started in, and you could go ahead and do it. Um, this other one's called AdBreaks. It takes a while to set up, but once you set it up, I started in about April 2019, and just to do a live demonstration. Let's just pick some random dates. Let's say 1st of May till, let's say, September. Let's just pick a random date. You can see in those few months I did over 60,000. And in terms of that's in earnings, just in 153 days, I made that much. The earnings just grow with time. So I'm averaging about, 10, 20,000, 10, 20,000, 10, 15,000 a month doing this. So if this is something you might want to get interested in, first you got to register on Facebook, get a Facebook page, and you got to promote your own content. So basically, this is kind of like a program similar to YouTube. The YouTube monetization, where you create content. Basically, you're watching this on YouTube. So I made this video for YouTube. So you create a page, give it a name, and you come up with your own content. What you could, if you want to educate people. So myself, I run a bunch of contents. I do education, I do commentary, I do voiceovers. So, and those videos you can see had 17 million 1 minute view time. So, the 17 million is a lot of views. And those 17 million views resulted to this amount. So, the criteria to get into this is, I think if you just Google it, you probably just see it. Or just if you want to do a video about the criteria on how to get accepted into the AdBrakes program, just leave a comment below, and let me know about it. I'll do a specific video going into proper details of how to get approved and how to qualify and get reviewed and start earning some money. Now, you're going to need some money to make money. Basically, there's nothing free, like you cannot get free engagements. So I spent some money, when I started. If we can click on performance here, um, I'm going to show you. So, as you can see, I got organic traffic of about 99% and paid traffic of 0.4%. So just less than 0.5% of paid traffic. And most of the traffic is organic. So 97 million views on organic traffic, resulted into that. So yeah, that's one of the major things, I'm just gonna cover here for this. This is a bit more sensitive. So if you really want to do this, just reach out to me. This is the economy has changed, as we all know. Most people are working from home, and you can see I got 157,000 new followers. That's a lot. That's so much followers. You can see in that period of time I did about this. So in about 10 months, I started making $1,000, 4,000, 5,000, just going up. Where else should I cover? If you want to register with Cash Network, I'm going to leave links below. You can reach out to me if you're having problems registering, or if you want more in-depth knowledge on how to get approved, because they're going to ask you a few questions and you need some sort of guidance to get approval on this network. There are a few other ones. Cash Network is one of them. These are the two major ones that I recommend because they pay on time and they pay weekly. Pay weekly. As far as make $100, you get paid every week. So I think $200, $100 or $200, I can't remember. But the payouts are weekly and it's very effective. And what else do I want to cover this? These companies are all 100% legit. They've been around for, I think, Max Bounty has been around for about 18 years. I've been with them for about 8 years, 8 years. I've been with this guys for 8 years. And you also want to know how to run ads. So basically, there's Facebook ads, there's Google AdWords, there's Bing ads, and there's Instagram ads. So you want to learn how to spend money and getting clicks. You can see these are clicks. Spend money to get some clicks. And once you get clicks, your clicks convert into sales. So for example, see 2,030 clicks and 82 conversions. That's a 4% conversion rate. Each sale I think was $60. I can't remember. I did 6,000 plus. This is more of like I think a 6-month period. Yeah. So now you could do all the things if you're good in like commentary. You can make content and give out value, and people come through those contents and they like whatever they see, and and you could recommend the product. You can easily go for this. But you got to know how to run ads. There's other means of getting free traffic, which is a bit more time consuming, but you want to spend money on ads and make some money, running traffic. Obviously the most successful is this. This has changed the game. It used to be very difficult to get into like YouTube advertising and YouTube monetization. So Facebook launched a platform a while ago. I'm going to leave my contact details below, like my email and Skype and whatnot. So if this is something you want to, you want to get involved in, just feel free to shoot me a message, and I could walk you through the basics. I do offer some back end insights on how this could get set up quickly, because I've been self-employed for the last decade, and I've done a few things, and this is just one of them. I would go into other details like registration, and just comment below if you want more details about what I do and how to set these things up. And thanks very much for watching. This is a very recent update of 2020. So most videos out there, they're old. This is kind of this brand new. This is the best it could get. So just feel free to reach out to me. Take care. Stay blessed.